Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're going to be making some absolutely delicious smoked lobster tails. Now, I know you're probably asking, lobster and smoke, it's a delicate piece of meat, right? So that smoke will probably overpower the lobster. But let me show you just how to prepare it, smoke it, so that smoke will complement that lobster flavor, and I got you in the game. So without further ado, hey, let's go down to this workstation and make these absolutely delicious smoked lobster tails. All right, fam, here's the star right here. These lobster tails right here. I got 5 of them, and I'm gonna show you just how to get these bad boys prepared. Hey, I got me some sharp shears, and what we gonna do is we gonna take this lobster and we gonna go right here, right down the center, and we're gonna cut it just like so, and we're gonna go all the way to the end of that tail right there. Now what we want to do is we want to take this lobster and we're gonna separate the shell, and you want to use a little bit of force but not too much, because you don't want to damage the shell, because we're gonna use this to set that lobster meat on top of it. So you want to be careful. Like I said, just kind of pry it gently so you don't, break that shell, because it's easy to do so, especially if you heavy-handed like me. But just get enough force where you can get like a little opening like that, and then you'll bring that lobster tail. Now what I want to do is I want to get underneath so we can dislodge this meat from the actual lobster, right? And then we just running our finger underneath, and then we're just going in like a little motion on the back side of it, and then we'll go like in there. Like I said, be gentle, because you don't want to damage your meat that's in there. And then once you got that meat dislodged from all sides like so, and you can use a spoon if you like, but then you can bring that meat and you can sit it on top of this lobster tail just like so. So now you can pour that meat through like so, and then it'll sit on top of that lobster, and you in the game, fam. Let it sit, and then you can trim it up however you like, make it look nice and pretty. So if you find something like that in your lobster, that's part of that digestive tract, and you want to remove that from your lobster. Like I said, you don't want to be eating no lobster poop, so just remove that and you will be in the game, fam. Just make sure, look your lobster over, through and through, and make sure it's clean to your liking, no poop in there. Hey, and you in the game. So we're gonna get these seasoned up, and we in the game, fam. Like I said, this is a delicate piece of meat, so you want to be able to taste this lobster, and we're not gonna go crazy with the seasoning. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lightly dust some onion powder on top of it. Then we're gonna go back with some garlic powder. We're gonna hit it with some crushed pepper. And then, fam, I got a little bit left of some Cajun seasoning, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of that Cajun seasoning on it. Like I said, not too much, because we want this to complement this lobster and not overpower it. But this right here, fam, it's gonna be absolutely delicious. Now what we want to do, fam, like I said, with this lobster tail, we want the smoke to complement and kiss this lobster tail. So fam, we're gonna go on our smoker. We're gonna heat this bad boy up. We going 350 degrees, so we got enough smoke that'll kiss this lobster, and then it's gonna heat it up. We're looking for an internal temperature of 140, and that'll be absolutely delicious. So all right, fam, so these are the herbs that I'm using today for this absolutely delicious lobster recipe. So we're going in with some parsley. We got some fresh thyme. We're going in with some garlic, and then we got our lemon, right? Want to make sure that we get this parsley finely chopped up, also with this thyme. Now this butter sauce is going to complement the smoked lobster. Now I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna give it a little smoky hint. Now you don't want to overpower it with smoke, so we're gonna be using, you know, fruit wood with this recipe here. Now, like I said, we want to get this finely chopped, so we'll go to work. And then once we get everything finely chopped this time and this parsley, we'll come back and see you guys. All right, fam, once we get everything chopped to where we like it, hey, we're gonna go ahead and put this in our bowl where we're gonna cook, smoke this butter in. We're gonna set that to the side, and then we're gonna mince our garlic up. Check this out right here. Hey, I got this nice little tool here. I got this off of Temu. Shopping like a billionaire, right? And then just mince that garlic up. Get in there with a little scrim, and now, fam, you got minced garlic. So we'll put that in our bowl. Nice little minced garlic, like so. And we're gonna go in with a whole stick of butter. I'm just gonna cut it in half so we can fit this in my little dish, like so. And fam, we're gonna throw this on the smoker. But before we do, hey, I want me a little, you know, citrus note in that butter. So I'm gonna take me a half a lemon, and I'm gonna squeeze it into this butter. And then we're gonna put this on that smoker and let it smoke while those lobsters are smoking. And we're gonna use this as a base for these lobsters, and then after we're gonna use it as a dipping butter sauce too. This is gonna be absolutely amazing, fam. Hey fam, let me give you my top tips on how to make some absolutely delicious smoked lobster tails. Now, first tip is all in the wood. So you don't want, you know, overpowering smoke flavor. So you don't want to go with hickory or mesquite. You want to go with a fruit wood. So in this recipe, what I'm using is apple wood. And fam, that's going to complement that lobster meat. Now, next thing is temperature. So you don't want to smoke these low and slow, because again, you don't want that smoke to overpower that meat. So we're going to take this temperature to 350 degrees, where it's high enough and you got just a little bit of smoke that it's going to kiss that meat, right? Give it that nice little sweet smoke flavor, but not overpower it. Now that right there, that's how you make some absolutely delicious smoked lobster tails. Other than that, it's all about preparing it right. I'll show you how to prepare it, season it up, and then you put that bad boy on that smoker, let it go until it reaches about 140, where it's nice and tender, and you in the game, fam. So all right, fam, we got this pit up to temp. So we got our butter, right, that we made. Nice little compound butter. We're gonna set this on the smoker. We're gonna get everything situated on the smoker. We're gonna put these lemons on here, let them get a nice little smoke flavor, and then we're gonna set our lobster tails on this bad boy. And we're looking at a temperature, internal temperature, 140 degrees. And once they become 140 degrees, fam, we are in the game. So what I'm gonna do just for presentation, I'm gonna fan these tails out. And you can do this at the end. I'm just gonna do this for the thumbnail so they look gorgeous. Yes, sir. Smoked lobster tails got you in the game. All right, fam, so we're about 15 minutes in. Hey, those lobster tails are looking absolutely delicious. Now we're sitting at about 300 degrees. We got some extra log splits on it. And what we want to do, hey, we want to baste these lobster tails. Get some of that garlic on there. So you want to get deep in there. Get some of those herbs. And you just want to baste it. You don't want to brush this on. Just baste these lobster tails with that smoked butter, right? And I'm telling you, fam, this is going to be absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna show you what I'm picking up right here. I got that nice little, you know, compound you know, that garlic and those herbs, picking it up. Look at that right there. Now, we don't want to let all that heat out. Hey, we're going to let these go the rest of the way. 140 degrees, and we in the game. All right, fam, so we looking at about 25 minutes or so in this recipe. And what we want to do is we want to check our internal temperature and see where we sit at. So, hey, we looking at, you know, 138, 140 on this one. So we'll go ahead and pull that one. Hey, this one's a little bit hot, so we'll go ahead and pull these bad boys right here, and these are ready to go, fam. That one needs a little bit more time. Those two, we'll let those go a little bit longer. Hey, fam, we'll be in the game. Hey, fam, look at this right here. Yes, sir. Hey, they smell delicious, fam. All right, fam, we let these other lobster tails cook a little bit more, and let's see where they at. So yeah, we good on that. Yes, sir. That one's almost there. Hey, I would call that one done. All right, fam, we'll go ahead and pull these lobster tails. This recipe right here, hey, they don't take that long to cook, to smoke on your smoker. About 25 to 30 minutes at the most, but again, depending on your elements, everything varies, right? But just keep an eye on it. Once you hit a 140, hey, you in the safe zone, you good to go. But we got to get this bad boy a taste test. But fam, look at that. Yes, sir. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious smoked lobster tails. Like I said, I got you in the game. We got that smoked butter right there, and you already know we got to get this bad boy tasted. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of that smoky lemon, like so. Hey, fam. Hey, cheers, and let's taste this absolutely delicious smoked lobster. Now that right there, that is absolutely delicious, fam. Hey, I'm gonna go back in for another bite of this, and that smoky butter. Ooh-wee. Hey, we're in the game, fam. Now, if you're new to my channel and you like this content, hey, go ahead, smash that like button. Now, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Turn on those notifications so you know when I release my content. And for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I gotta do. Me and the fam, we gonna smash into these smoked lobster tails, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.